Welcome, Duke. Welcome to the chat session.
Thank you so much. Very welcome.
Yeah, congratulations on being selected for the Eminent person.
Thank you.
Your conduct was really appreciated during the conference. So that's why you have been selected as an Eminent person.
Thanks so much. Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me something about yourself, like your brief introduction and your academic profile.
Yeah, sure. Well, my name is Duk. I'm 32 years old. I'm living in Germany. Professionally, I'm a banker. I'm working in the banking industry for over 12 years now. And besides my full-time work at the bank, I always studied, did my bachelor's, my master's, now my PhD. And I really love to attend academic conferences to present my research works I do with my colleagues. So I think that's in a nutshell all about me.
Great, that's really good. So tell me something about your research, like that you presented at the conference.
Yeah, I try to put it as short as possible. You know, I'm very interested in all the digital topics, especially when it refers to the financial industry and also the financial industry services. So my research topic, together with Lars Klingenberger, my colleague, my PhD colleague, is all about the digitization of asset management, and the business model is also called or referred to as robo-advisory. So we did in several publications, but also in research works, we always answer or try to answer the question how private customers or private clients can be more attracted to this kind of business model, because this is definitely the future. Because in this business model, there's a use of artificial intelligence. It's 24/7 available. You don't need to rely on humans anymore. So you can do it all with machines and smart algorithms. So this is really the question all about what we do in our research. And this is exactly what we tried to do. And we came up with a logistic regression model to see how the inclination to use a robo-advisor is, but not just a normal robo-advisor. We combined it with the effect of sustainability, because I don't know how it is in your country, but right now in Germany, sustainability is a huge trend. It's very important. It becomes more and more important. If you can read all the news about the natural catastrophes, then you see that this is very important. And some of the robo-advisors right now are introducing sustainable investments as kind of a USP. And this is exactly what we did in our research to gather more information about that and more data to confirm it, that this is important.
Great. I think this is a very interesting topic that you have presented at the conference. And as you said that, according to me, sustainability is a very important topic right now throughout the world, especially after our COVID pandemic, I guess it is. And your research is it was really appreciated throughout the conference as well. So congratulations for your research. Yeah. So I would like to ask you, what kept you going through COVID? You know, what was your motivation that kept you going through COVID to carry out your research and participate in our conference?
Yeah, it's a very good question, but to be honest, actually there's a pretty simple explanation to that, because I think everyone just wants to keep their normal life, keep on going, keep on focusing on your career, on your research works, on your private life, of course. So this is exactly what me and my colleague Lars, we did. We just said, okay, despite of COVID, despite of being at home, having curfews and stuff like that, we just try to keep our normal life and focus on what's important for us. So there was no question in time that we would ever stop doing what we do. So basically that's a simple answer to that. So I know it's very tough right now worldwide, and people are suffering, and I feel very sorry for that. But you know, the only thing that I can do in my microcosmos is just to keep on doing what we're doing. And I'm very glad that we have the opportunity, due to all the digital media and conferences, that we can all do that digitally. So there's no loss of work or research. I like that.
Thank you so much. I guess, yes, there were some limitations for everybody, but the spirit to live the life kept us going.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So what is your opinion on attending our online conferences, rather than physical during the pandemic?
yeah, I love that, as I mentioned before. So it's very important that, yeah, there are still providers, providing these kind of meetings or conferences online and give the opportunity to present the research works all over the world. So I really appreciate it and I also love it, because otherwise it would be very boring for all of us just to stay at home and do our job and not having the chance to connect with other people. So this is exactly what I love about conferences. This is also the reason why I always try as much as possible to attend to any conference. Of course, only when I have some good research findings to present. Otherwise, I just keep on working in my basement. But yeah.
Okay, great. So yeah, obviously, I guess that is the motivation that kept us going, everybody. I hope you would suggest Eurasia Research to your friends and colleagues, and you'll be participating in future conferences as well.
I would definitely suggest my friends, but I'm just it really depends, because not all my friends are having fun with academic work, and it's not for everyone. It's not everybody's cup of tea, you would say. So, yeah. But of course, the ones who are working at the universities like me or doing research, I would always suggest that, and they're already doing it. So this is not a real question to them.
Okay, great. That's wonderful news, and we really thank you that you have included everybody in it and everybody is participating. So if you would like, we would like to take one positive feedback back home about our conferences. What would be that?
Actually, it would be, first of all, I think it was very professional, organized very well, and I think it's my second or third time I participated with your company now. So I'm pretty grateful for that. So I really always, love the variety of topics and research works. In this case, it was very unfortunate because I have to left a little bit early. But of course, you have the conference proceedings, so I can take a deeper look into all the topics and connect with all the other researchers worldwide. So I think this is the main takeaway. So it's all about, learning from each other. And, I may be an expert in global advisory and finance, but not so much in other topics. So this is like the good thing about conferences, that you learn from each other. So this is always my takeaway from online conference.
Thank you so much. I guess you have really enjoyed the conference and you really enjoy participating in them. Obviously, learning is one thing that will keep going in the field of research. Thank you, Duke. Thank you for being with us in this chat session and being regular part of our conferences. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.